In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an artifact with dependencies and create a single jar file. What we'll do here is we'll start with something simple like Hello World in this relatively large project, and we'll open up the module settings by hitting F4 on the current project. And what that'll do is it'll give me artifacts which I can then select, and I'll do a from module with jar dependencies and select my main class, Hello World. And in the Hello World class, I will proceed to extract to a target jar. And I can include tests if I like. I can also include other classes that I think I might need in a project that needs a massive jar. And then click OK. And then when you click OK again, you should be able to do build artifacts. And what we'll do is we'll create our jar. As soon as I can select. Oh, it seems to be doing it, although I think it's doing it on the wrong one. So let's stop it. We'll click on F4. Go to the modules. Let's see, where are the artifacts? Artifacts. Remove one of the artifacts so they don't get confused. Hit apply. Hit OK. And now we can go to build artifacts. And now there's only one. And now it'll go through and do the build there. Once that's done, you should be able to find a location for your build. In my case, it's going to be J for P, out, and then there's a place called artifacts. And once that's done, the build will complete and generate a single jar file. And that might be relatively large. I mean, here you can see it's very big. What you could do is you can run that with your class path and use your verbose options, and then you can see what's being loaded and what's not being loaded. And so that'll give you an idea as to which jars are needed in the new project. And here comes the J for P, jar 2. Oh, that's the end. It switched. Oh, he's still generating it. So we've got this is one of those you got to be patient things. So to get the verbose going, you can use verbose class in here, and then if you do, you can set your class path and use the fully qualified class name in order to do the run. So for example, in here you might say something like Java minus CP J for P, put in the fully qualified path name, and then insert into that the VM option. Which could come in over here. Now you can take the output and you can pipe it into a grep on jar, pipe that into more, and you can watch it go by. It looks like the whole thing is happening with a single jar, rt.jar. It's still quite large. It's 200 meg. It's huge. But it's got the whole rt.jar in it. There must be other jars in it as well. So perhaps they're not being loaded, in which case you can remove them when you go to do the move of the program over. So let's take a look at that again. And it looks like the only thing needed is rt.jar. So that's one approach. Hope you like my video. At least you get to see where the jars are that you might need. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.